Hi everyone, it is Candace, the owner of Neon Kandi, and welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about upcoming projects and things that I have been starting to put the pieces together, but I wanted to get your guys' input and also just share the experience with you guys, as this is going to be something like a mini vlog slash up to date, keep you guys informed on how the products and everything are going to be coming out for the brand. So if you would like to see all the new upcoming things that I'm going to be working on, then go ahead and stay tuned. So like I said, today we're going to be discussing on the new products that I have been working on, or I have started put the tiny steps onto working on. If you don't know already, we have 6 loose pigments as well as 5 glitters, and right now we have lip glosses, but we're about to drop 2 more, so it'll be a total of 5. I've been working on different things as far as getting a jump start on the brand. If you guys know me from Beauty by Candy, I do a lot of dark lip stuff. And a lot of people wondered, why I actually haven't started off with that first instead of working with eyeshadow and things like that. And honestly, I didn't have a really response to that. I was really gravitated toward starting off with pigments because I was really afraid using them, and I think it's just a good way to really have impact on color because I'm all about that vibrancy of cosmetics. I guess I kind of wanted to start off there and then work my way to lipsticks because I feel like there's so many brands out there now that do a lot of lashes and a lot of lipsticks and and a lot of pigments, but glitters. And I haven't seen a company do kind of all three, and that's kind of where I want to be. I want to have a variety of different products within our brand, but I also want to think about the people who have a warm undertone, who have a cool undertone, who's neutral, different types of ingredients to make sure they're safe and they're vegan. So I take a lot of pride in a lot of things that I've done, especially in this brand, because I literally started from nothing and started to make it into something that I'm really proud of. But this goes along to the new products that I wanted to add to our brand. One of the things I wanted to really start getting a gear on is our highlighters. And if you checked out one of my live streams on Instagram, I showed you guys kind of like a sneak peek and then also gave you guys a poll if you wanted to do more of this purpley white undertone, or if you guys wanted me to work with a more golden. And it was like literally about 85% of you guys said you wanted a gold. So we're going to be working on the gold, and I haven't thought about how I really want to do these things, but I know I want to do them because I just want to be different with our brand and our different types of products that we have. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to swatch you guys what I swatched on Instagram Live. And then we're going to go a little bit deeper into what I want to do and what we're going to go for, then all that jazz. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch these for you. Okay, so this is the first swatch. That's the first one. Now that first one was more of a pinky shade. Oh my god, so glittery. And then this one is a more golden. That's number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. Now, as you can see, the majority of these have a more pinkish undertone to it, except for the 2 golden ones up top. These 2 are gold, and then these 3 have the pink undertone in it. So with your guys' thoughts in mind and Instagram, I'm thinking, okay, like you pretty much just want gold and not any pink, but I mean, I could make something out of that because we are going to be putting them in these containers. So they're pretty big. And I'm still deciding if I want to make them more into like a jelly highlighter, or if I want to make it into more of a like pressed one. But I do think I'm gonna do some type of weird combo where it's all of them or at least 3 together. Not quite sure yet though, but I'm excited for that. So that's one thing. And then the second thing that we're going to be working on is I want to start pressing my eyeshadows. I want to create more pressed products because I do know that's where the majority of people are more comfortable with. And finding these, I forgot that I had purchased 10s, and they're going to be pretty big size. They're going to be 36 millimeters of eyeshadow, so you can see like 10s right there. So I plan on doing those, and then I'm still deciding on if I want to do eyeshadow or if I want to do glitters or what. I'm not quite sure yet. And I don't know how I'm going to package them yet either, because I know that our package to zip it in is like still good to go, but I kind of want to, I need to learn a little bit more. I don't know if I want to make like a mini palette with it and you guys can pick which color you want, or just sell them individually. I'm still kind of thinking about how I want to do that. So with that being in mind, if you guys wouldn't mind, this would be amazing. If you could leave your comments on your opinion down below, that would be amazing on both products, the eyeshadows and also with the highlighters. Let me know in the comments down below, because that would give me more of an insight, and I'll make sure to put something up on the Instagram too, so just in case you missed this video or you're a little bit late or you're joining and you're just like, what's going on? Did she make it yet? Is it like, can we not like give our opinion yet? That kind of thing. So I'll make sure to keep it updated so that you guys are aware, because again, this is going to be a process. Like I want this to be like a cool little thing that we do, another little series on the channel so that you can see behind the scenes and how things are really going and really cater to you guys, because without you I wouldn't be here, and without me wanting to try and be different I wouldn't be here trying to create products. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys are thinking and are wanting to see. So thank you so much for watching. This is going to be a quick little video. Hopefully it's a little bit quick. I just want to say hello, let you guys see what's going on and what I'm going to be working on now and the next couple launches for you guys. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a good thumbs up. I appreciate your support, and I'll check you later. Peace.